Hey kids and learners! Look around you. Everything we do is an action. From blinking your eyes to running across the park.
Can you guess what is she doing? Stick to the end of the video to know more about such actions.
Welcome to your Daily English Dose.
You must have listened about accent words. What does it mean? Accent word means verbs. Now, let's explore about some accent words. Yay!
Can you guess what is she doing?
Guess the action. Yes, pluck, pluck. P-L-U-C-K. Repeat it, pluck.
Try to say the answer. I am plucking.
I am driving my car.
Guess the action. Yes, drive.
D-R-I-V-E.
Now you say drive.
Try to say the answer. I am driving.
What are you doing, Grandpa?
I am reading the newspaper.
Here the action word is read, E-A-D, read.
Try to say the answer. I am reading.
Guess the action. Yes, swing.
S-W-I-N-G, swing. Repeat it. Try to say the answer. I am swinging. The next accent word is W-A-I-T, wait.
What happened? I'm waiting for my driver.
Here the action word is
W-A-I-T, wait. Try to say the answer. I am waiting.
the action word is
M-E-A-S-U-R-E, measure. You repeat it. Try to say the answer. I am measuring.
guess the action. Yes, dig. D-I-G. Now you repeat dig, dig.
Try to say the answer. I am digging. Very good.
The action word is T-W-I-S-T, twist, twist.
Try to say the answer. I am twisting. Very good.
C-O-O-K. Now you repeat the cook.
Try to say the answer. I am cooking. Very good.
Guess the action.
L-A-Y, play. Repeat it. Try to say the answer. I am playing. Very good.
Hello, students. Read the following questions and try to answer by yourself.
It's time for test. Guess the action word. Yes, correct. 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 Guess the action word. Yes, correct.
Wow, you are an action word expert. If you had fun moving with me today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures.